with the help of both Bad Camilita. With the help of both arms, try to report that Camilita. सब में एकाग्रता
Kumbh Mela is very much related to Kriya Yoga. If you see the history of Kriya Yoga, Mahavatar Babaji met Swami Sri Yukteswar Giri under this banyan tree here at the Kriya Yoga Ashram in 1894 during the Kumbh Mela and gave the whole process of Kriya Yoga, how Kriya Yoga would spread all over the world to bring peace on this world through our practice. What we are learning here, I came in 2007, it was Ardha Kumbh Mela, because somebody told me it would be Maha, and I said I have to go because Maha is only every 12 years. So I decided to come in 2007, but I also had just read Autobiography of Yogi, and I knew I need Kriya Yoga. So I came to India with these two thoughts, Kriya Yoga and Kumbh Mela. When I came here, I met Gurudev's camp at the Kumbh Mela, and I was amazed because I didn't know anything about Guruji. I was searching for Paramahansa Yogananda. But as I entered the camp, I started practicing. I felt so much peace and joy and everything that I was expecting from India. I have traveled all over the world. I have practiced many different spiritualities, techniques, and different teachers and masters, and I never knew the importance of a true guru. And when I met Guruji, when I met Kriya Yoga, I realized Kriya Yoga is the complete science that joins all different spiritualities, all different religions, and most important is the highest technique for us to experience the same inside of us. What Jesus Christ has taught, that I and God are one. Through Kriya Yoga meditation we can experience what Lord Krishna has said, I am present in the heart of all are present in my heart. We can experience through the practice of Kriya Yoga, and what we learn in Sanatana Dharma, that Vasudeva Kutumbakam. Então this we can experience, really experiencing, not just talking. We can experience through the practice. But I also have learned that the practice can go deep only with the help of the Guru. So I decided to stay, and I kept on staying. And then I realized Kriya Yoga and Kumbh Mela are one, because every year, not just every 12 years, every year Guruji organizes program at the Kumbh Mela, and devotees from all over the world, they come every year, not only every 12 years. And now many foreigners are coming, more and more. But now there is some opposition that people are trying to prevent Guruji to spread the true Sanatana Dharma, because Guruji is trying to unite all and people want division.
तो 44 बरस बाद महाकुंभ लग रहा है, हम देख रहे हैं कि क्रिया योग संस्थान में योग किया जा रहा है, जिसमें बड़ी संख्या में फॉरेनर्स भी पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं. योगा फॉर अ बेटर इंडिया का जो कॉज है, उसको लेकर के आप लोग चल रहे हैं, क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
क्रिया योग की साधना ऐसे गुरु के संरक्षण में जो कि पूर्ण आत्मज्ञानी हो, वो एक ऐसा मौका है जीवन में जो कि दुर्लभ है, और उससे जीवन की हर मुश्किल का निदान होता जाता है. पिछले 19 वर्ष से मैं यही साधना कर रहा हूं परम पूज्य गुरुदेव स्वामी श्री योगी सत्यम के संरक्षण में, और ये मैं पूरे दावे के साथ कह सकता हूं कि जीवन की हर मुश्किल जो आज तक मैंने अपने पिछले विगत वर्षों में महसूस की थी या जिसको एक्सपीरियंस किया था, वो सब अपने आप ही उसका समापन हो गया. और अब लक्ष्य जीवन में यही है कि जिस आनंद की मैं अनुभूति कर रहा हूं, वो बाकी भी दुनिया कर सके.
Mahakumbh is a great occasion, and Kumbh, why it was held, we should really understand. There is a very spiritual significance. See, when all the saints and sadhus, they were going into deep meditation, and they learned the real art of living, the science, like how you should live, how you should breathe, how you should sit, how you should walk, how you should do your work. when they went into that depth of learning the science and practicing, and they experienced a lot of changes and they got a lot of knowledge within themselves. So this is the occasion where they come together and they share that with the ordinary person. So this Mahakumbh Mela is a very significant moment for that. And we are very fortunate that Guruji is here to give those teachings. But unfortunately, as you would have understood from Guruji also, we are not given the proper platform. Like Kriya Yoga should be given the highest platform because this is from the beginning of time, from Mahavatar Babaji, right? And this moment was for that, but unfortunately we have not been given the platform. The administration has lack of spiritual knowledge. They might be good in the administration, but they have lack of spiritual understanding what the effectiveness of real spirituality is about. So they're not able to understand it. They're not able to allocate the right significance or importance, to this work. And it's very shocking to me coming from out of India to seek spirituality in the spiritual mother India and seeing persons who are given such high responsibilities and they are not able to understand a basic thing about, like giving the right significant space or importance to the sadhus. It's become like a corporate space, which is very sad to see. It's very sad to see that.